Hello, it's Susan, and today I'm doing a bloom. I will be using Amsterdam turquoise green. It is opaque. It's the only opaque I'm using. I'm using Sonja Brilliant Magenta. And I'm using two pigments today. They're both Pearl X. One is called Misty Lavender. The other is it's gold. Let's see what it's called. Oh, Sunset Gold. Okay, that's my colors. The paint that I'm using for my pouring medium, untinted paint, is Sherwin Williams All Surface Enamel HP Gloss Extra Deep Base. It's just in a jar like this. I don't have the thing. And my other ingredient is Sonja Gloss Varnish. That's my pouring medium, is that paint and the varnish. I mix it with the paints. The pigments, before I mix it into the pouring medium, I mix it with binder medium first. Mix that up, and then mix it with the pouring medium. My cell activator, I'm using black. It's Amsterdam black, and it is oxide black. And I am mixing in with that some ink, some carbon black ink, water, and a few drops of airbrush medium. That's my cell activator. All my recipe and the ratios of everything will be in the description below the video. My pillow paint is Easy Flow Eggshell medium base. Start with pouring the base on. You don't have to do this. Just as long as you've got enough of a pillow in the middle, you can still do this. Okay. I did not show you the consistency of my paints. This is, well, you see how thick the pillow paint is. This is one of my colors. It's hard to show. There. It just leaves a little mound, disappears right away. My cell activator is a little more, it's thinner than that. It's going to be hard to show because there's not too much in here. So it's a little bit more runny than the paints. Okay, you're going to check for air bubbles. See a couple. I'm just going to pop the air bubbles with a pin. I think we're good. Okay, so this one is the opaque. stir sticks I bought are a little top heavy, so they don't stay in very good. Okay, what should I put on first? I think I will do the magenta first. Okay, I'm gonna go for the lavender. This is the Pearl X. Now the opaque, the turquoise green. Now the gold. I just have to mix it a bit because it's separating. Okay, now the cell activator. Now I'm going to blow with my breath. I have a few cells, but they're white cells. So I will just let it rise up a little bit. The center I have to has to come back up level with the rest of the paint so that you can tilt it. So almost ready. move it this way since I've already tipped it this way. Okay, bring it back to the middle. I'm going to tip it this way. Again, bring it back to the middle. Yeah. I'll go this way. Just going to bring it back this way again. I like that part right there. There, I think I like it the way it is now. Getting some really cool effects in here and in here. I'm not really sure why, but I like it. I like it. I really like this part here. Okay, I think all the sides are good. I will bring it up for a close-up. There's some lacing, some nice cells, some cool, strange effects. So I will, I'll let it dry.